So I did my hood strut in the rain. You can see the hood strut is here, and now it's right here, stand up by itself. Closing. Okay. Let me do. Okay. I'm not closed properly, but here, one from the light, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then you put the middle here. And this is the perfect place to put it, the middle. You use the side here for a bracket. I use the hood strut itself, not the hood bracket itself as the bracket. So you can then need to drill a hole here, put the screw here, drill it through here. You need to mark it right here. Mark it with a knife, and you can drill a hole in here and mount it to the side, even though it looks like that outside, but when you close it, see it goes down inside the hood, just like a car, just like a Lamborghini door. See here, no touch. Now you have two brand new hood strut right here. You can see I drill behind this and make sure this wire is out the way. You can drill it here, put a bracket there, put the side there. I prefer the side, and YouTube show that you can put here, but I don't think this will go into here. It's better mount to the side and to the middle. So you skip this one and go to the middle. It's perfect. Okay, now I have a hood strut. So you drill with a small bit. With first you use a small bit, and then you use a bigger size until you find a size that's about this nut size, and maybe you can go a little bit bigger to put the nut through. And this will tie it. This will tie it, so doesn't matter if you make it this side or a little bit bigger. I make it a bit bigger because I don't have the next size, but you can find the right size just for the hole. Make it more tight, but I think this is tight enough. And this is what it looked like. I know I did it in the rain, but I started in the sun, but I came home and it started raining. But I just keep doing because I already planned it. So yes, rain. I did it in rain. And the hood, you don't need the prop anymore. The prop is right here. Just keep the prop right here. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna drill a hole in the hood. I mean the bracket here in the hood to mount this hood strut. It's gonna go here, and then the side gonna go here. And first is the pilot hole, and this is a small hole, and now it's gonna be I'm gonna use this bigger one to drill a bigger hole. And I gotta be careful because I'm gonna drill a hole while filming. So that's pretty easy. Just have to make a mark, make an X right here and drill. And I'm gonna put the strut here on the side. And this is the perfect place for it. It's gonna go here, here, to here, and you got to extend the hood. You have to extend the hood all the way up, so this gonna go all the way here, and this part is gonna be straight. So you want this this to go straight to here, and you just have to push the hood up a little bit to fit this strut. You have to push the hood up like this. Just push it straight up, and you can mount this hood like so. And this is, it's gonna go in. I'm gonna show you after the hood strut is installed. Right now it's closed. I can open the hood. Open the hood. Right there, it's open by itself. Stay on. Now it's right here. You drill to the side. It's a good idea. Put it in the middle. Some put it here, but it doesn't work for me here. Doesn't work for me here. I'm gonna put it like this at the bottom, and then close. Perfectly close. Perfectly aligned. Okay. I'm gonna go in because of the rain. Into my car because I'm getting wet. Okay. Shall I show you the tools I use? I use this Dewalt. This impact, but I have the drill here, and I have here the Miuwaukee 15-piece impact drill bits. It's titanium, and it's gonna be good for drilling the metal on your hood. The first one, I'm gonna use the small one. The small one, use the small one right here, and then you go up to the bigger size, 9/64, and then you can go up to the next size, until you find the one that's just a little bit bigger than the screw. I mean the nut. So I use 7/32, and then the final size is 1/4 because I don't have the next size. It should be in between here, and it's a little bit big, but you can tie it with the nut in the back. So that's it. I did my hood strut in the rain because I planned it in the evening, and right now it's raining, and I just tint my window, and I put this for extra. Dark. I don't want to put it too dark. It's 50. This is 50. This is 30. Behind is 32, which is legal limits. I mean 35. 35, and the front is 50. In the front is, I just have the strip in the front, and I just put this carbon fiber steering wheel. It's carbon fiber steering wheel. And I did the hood strut. Okay, that's it for my video.